Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Silvia. I'm an Italian in London and a full-time reseller on Amazon and eBay. On Amazon we went from 0 to 6 figures in 6 months. So I'm here to share my experience and my knowledge and some information. They're really difficult to find on the internet, on YouTube or on seller account, whatever. Amazon wants to ensure that all the data you provide them are matching for many different reasons, God knows. With personal information, I mean the name of the owner of the shop, the address in case you change bank, etc, etc. There are 3 main cases. I have a few notes here so then I don't miss any detail for you. First one is in case you're a solo trader and you need to change any of your personal data, just be in touch with them. They will ask you a couple of documents, but don't make any changes before you hear back from them. Sometimes you have to chase the team, sometimes you really don't have to. In case you're a LTD, the first thing you need to change is your legal address with company house. I'm talking about the UK, of course. I am not too sure. I have no idea how it works in the other European countries or in USA. So in case you are outside the UK, I hope this video can help you just to let you know that you can't just go out and change whatever you want. Always be in touch with the verification team first. What happened to me is that they required for me to have ready bank statement or a bank letter with the new address and of course the name of the company that is registered as the owner of the seller account, a document from company house. I contacted my bank and I asked them and they replied to me that they are not allowed to make any change to my address unless they hear from company house. They actually told me that I had to talk first to company house and then I had to tell Barclays. But what happened is that I got in touch with company house, I requested a change, they made the change and they told Barclays after receiving a letter by company house, a letter from my bank saying that they have heard from company house that the new address is blah 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 and you're ready to get back in touch with the verification team. With the verification team, what I've always done is not needed, it's not a have to, but is a suggestion that I give you. I always wrote them. I just wanted to let you know we are getting ready for moving the office to a new address. I've been in touch with company house and with my bank. Soon we will receive the document. Could you please let me know which are the right steps to follow so then I can ensure the smooth run of the business and don't miss any of my payments. Another very important tip, guys, from the bottom of my heart, because cash is king in business and we already have to wait a very long time for Amazon to pay us. Never ever start this process before you receive your money in the bank account. Sometimes they are really quick to verify your account, but sometimes it really takes them time. There is no way that I can tell you how long it's gonna take, but just to ensure you're not missing any money, any payment, just don't do it right before or throughout the process of payment. So let's say that Amazon will start the payment process on Monday the 1st. Don't start your verification process 2, 3, 5 days before the 1st, between the 1st and the 5th. Just wait for your money to be in the bank. Dear sirs, we are ready. We have this document and this document. Please let me know what's the first step and if I need any further document before starting the whole process to ensure, once again, you never say it enough, to ensure the smooth run of my business and don't miss any of the payments. The third case is you are passing your shop from the solo trader to the LTD. I forgot one. You get VAT registered. It could be solo trader and it could be as an LTD. That's another case. But you will have to do the same, just to be sure. The process is much more complicated. Be in touch with the verification team. Is a step-by-step process. They're gonna give you a list of all the documents you need to provide. So now go to your account under your personal data, under the bank, and upload this document, and you do it. But never ever start the change of your personal data, especially when you go from solo trader to LTD, without having all the documents they gave you in the list. Don't do it, because it might take them 1 week in between the steps, or it might take them 2 minutes. I had to change the legal address of the LTD. This is a video that I'm recording in June 2019. Please guys, be aware that Amazon keeps changing the rules so quickly. So this is just to let you know, you can't do it. Every case is different. These are some of the documents they might ask you. Write this to the verification team. Don't listen to seller support that they tell you just go and change it, because maybe I don't know, my account is older and they wanted 2 documents. Maybe for you they require 4. I literally know sellers that because they were not ready with all these documents, because they didn't know about this process, their account, their payment got literally suspended. Company house is gonna take its time. The bank is gonna take its time. They got suspended, their payment got suspended. There are different levels of suspensions, and what the verification team wrote me the first time is that it might take them up to 6 months. Once they suspend you for the verification, it might take them up to 6 months to complete the verification of your account, which means for 6 months you will have stock in Amazon. You will probably have to pay storage fees. You won't be allowed to ship up any, but why would you do it? Anyways, because you won't be able to take off any money for up to 6 months. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful. Let me know, write me a comment, share the love, like and subscribe. And yes, if you know other fellow resellers, feel free to share with them this video. Like always, no Ferrari, BS free. Why would you shoot a YouTube video about your sales in your garage?